Hey teachers, so we are now in our second to the last presentation of our NCOIs for reclassification and even regular ranking for higher teaching positions, specifically for master teacher. So sa mga kakapanood pa lang po, may mga nauna na po tayong mga na-upload na NCOIs along higher teaching positions. So ngayon po, we are now in NCOI 6.3.3. So ito po yung nauna kanina, 1.2.3. Again, ito pong pinapakita natin is yung gagamitin ninyong portfolio assessment form wherein sa MOVs, sa description ng MOVs, kayo po ang magsusulat and together with the annotation. Okay, so ito na po yung ating next topic for this video, yung ating NCOI 6.3.3 wherein discuss with colleagues teaching and learning practices that apply existing codes, laws, and regulations that apply to the teaching profession and responsibilities specified in the Code of Ethics for professional teachers. So in order for this objective to be attained, here or to be checked, here are the MOVs that needs to be presented. So again, these MOVs po ay mga galing sa ating mga RPMS or PMES na mga natapos na. Or if not, you should provide this kung medyo nakulang yung ating mga ginawa. Now, here in the third column, and itong ating pang-apat na column, ito po sa PAF, ito po ay blank. And during assessment, kayo po ang magsusulat nito, how will you describe your MOVs in such that this really achieve or this will really prove that you have demonstrated this NCOI. And of course, this is your annotation. So you can just read that. That is just a sample, description, and annotation. So now let us now show you, papakita ko po sa inyo ngayon yung mga MOVs, the sample MOVs. Again, this is sample, and you can always modify this one. Okay, so ito na po tayo, 6.3.3. So, ang una po is, dapat may pakita natin yung ating coaching and mentoring session wherein together with our colleague, we were able to discuss about the existing code of ethics. So kindly read this one. This is the coaching and mentoring session. And at the bottom, you should provide there the who prepared it. Okay? So here is another example po. This is naman about the reflection notes by the teacher. Yan. Okay. You can insert pictures if ever. Or you can ask the reflection notes galing sa ibang mga teachers para mas marami po yung inyong mailagay sa portfolio. Then for another MOV, yung inyong performance monitoring coaching form na ginawa, nakalagay po dito yung pangalan ng teacher and kung ano yung mga critical incidents, output, and impact on job. So based from this, meron na po kayong MOVs na may papakita. And you should be able to explain na lang how this help, or you should be able to provide in this portfolio assessment form yung ways or things that help you in order for you to achieve this NCOI. Okay, so if you have this, you have that, then I'm sure you can have a perfect score. Okay, so that's all po. If you have questions, feel free to put your comments in the comment section. So, ito po yung ating second to the last. Paki-browse na po ng ating channel para sa iba.